맛있다. So delicious.好吃. Hello everybody. Welcome to Babsi Home Cooking Channel. Today I will make this Ramyeon tofu, soft tofu ramen. Do you know this very delicious and fantastic? You know this our sundu. Sorry. You know this. I will introduce the ingredients. This 1 egg and ramen and green paprika, green onion and tofu, soft tofu, and then some red pepper. Yes, and then you will see how I doing. Yeah, very delicious. Thank you very much. Sorry because so much notice. Okay. Now I will start make. Now boiling water and then we put the sauce. And then put ramen, little paprika. This is tofu, soft tofu ramen. It's very nice. Wow, nice, huh? We put egg. Wow. Green paprika, green onion. Looks so fantastic. Wow! Amazing. Wow. Looks so fantastic. Thank you.